like a thief in the night. I be ready for it, steady when I see you on sight. I'm a renegade, baby. I do just what I like. Train to go, lose control, step if you wanna fight. Can't box with a goddess, big stepper in your arms too short to be honest. I know they can't handle even if I had a harness. I'm the best you ever seen, this I promise. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Ready, aim, let's go. When you on top, gotta put it on the flow. Get 'em, yeah, I got 'em. Are you ready for some more? Yeah, ready, aim, let's go. Ready, aim, let's go. Ready, aim, let's go. Ready, aim, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get 'em, yeah, I got 'em. Ready, aim, let's go.
Heart beats fast, colors and prom.
Kakilala kami ng aking asawa sa National University College.
Parehas kami kasing varsity, player ng school. Siya volleyball, ako basketball.
So magkabilaan lang yung aming court at doon kami nagkakilala at nagkainlaban.
Doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
So, yun nga, nakita ko siya. Although papansin ako sa kanya, mga ganon-ganon, alam mo na yun. Nagpatulong ako sa friend ko na makilala ka. Talagang sinikap kong pagtiyagayin na text ka or something. And then suyuin, siyempre. After a long na pagsuyo ko sa'yo, nakuha ko rin kahit pa paano yung pinaka-moment na matamis mo.
Thousand years, I love you for 1,000
Honey, tuloy mo lang yung pagiging understanding mo sa amin. Pag-alaga sa mga bata, pag-intindi sa lahat ng mga bagay. Sana ups and down tayo. Manatilihin nating kapit kamay lang tayo. Kahit anumang struggle sa buhay natin, always natin sabayan tayo sa lahat nating ginagawa. I love you so much, honey. And super excited ako ngayon.
Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
Ni, finally, totoo na to. Yung babaeng minahal ko ng 15 years, ito na ngayon, yung panghabang buhay ko na. Naalala ko pa yung nag-start tayo. Hindi naging madali. Inilaban natin to. Ikaw yung dumating sa buhay ko na never ko ina-expect. I've come to realize how blessed I am to have you. My life, my happiness, and my soulmate. I will be faithful to you. I will honor, support, and comfort to protect you. I will never to leave you, forsake you, and I love you beyond all measure. I love you.
Step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000.
I wish you all the best sa kasal ninyo. Magmahalan kayo. Alagaan yung mga anak nyo. tuparin niyo ang mga pangarap ninyo.
I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I loved you for 1,000 years.
Ikaw at ikaw ang pipiliin ko habang buhay. At makasama natin na harapin ang lahat ng pagsubok at magkasama natin tutuparin, abutin ang lahat ng pinapangarap natin para sa pamilya natin. Mahal na mahal kita, honey, at ng tatlo nating anak.